Hey Jordan, hope you're doing alright. Just going through your check-ins, etc. today. Um, Training's going well. You see that. Guessing this session went alright. No notes and stuff like that, but that's fine. Um, yeah, when it comes to this, like we did the other day, you know you can train harder. You can push yourself more. It's just making either the tempo harder, so slowing it down slightly, or concentrating more, shift more weight, all that type of jazz. Um, One set of 20 left, calf strain. How is your calf doing? What do you mean by calf strain? Did it just like ache like mad, go super tight, or did it start to more along the lines of a sharp kind of burning sensation inside? With your measurements, weight hasn't changed and actually shot up a little bit over the weekend. So I just need to know, did you 100% put these macros and nutrition stuff into your body, or is that like a little porcupine you're telling me now? I can't do much within weight. Obviously, we're trying to get you to lift as heavy as we can, so we're trying to keep and build as much muscle as possible while you're cutting. I do need those check-in photos, and I can update you a little bit more on that. If not, then just going by this, we're going to have to increase your cardio per week. I don't want to touch your calories, so we're going to have to increase your output. But I'm not going to do that until I can see those photos. So if you've got 5 minutes, just get them done, send them over to us, and we'll go from there. Any issues or questions, just let us know. All right, take care. See you soon.